Welcome back to Danny Diaries, and this would be my third video. And it's an interesting dish. It's a spice box curry. Spice box curry, it means like we are going to include all spices. Normally, we would have heard of garlic curry, pepper curry, all those are there. But this is very beneficial, and all these spices, I'll be explaining you the spices also. Like we are going to add fenugreek, pepper, coriander, cumin seed, soap, ajwain, dry chili, small onion, ginger, tamarind, garlic, turmeric, hing, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, Javitri, star anise, mustard, groundnut, sesame seed, sunflower seed, coconut, badam, gingerly oil, honey, ghee, jaggery, lemon juice, and some salt to taste. And I'd be explaining you on this on the medicinal benefits. It looks very large, but it's very simple to make. And as we cook, I'll be explaining you the nutritional values of each item. And this very important thing, and this current hour of this crisis time which we are facing under this lockdown, this food will boost your immunity, and it has very high medicinal values, and I hope you would really like it. And let's start. Now now my mother will be explaining the method. Yes, ma'am.
Hi friends, yeah, I'm going to make spice box curry, but things will be large but very simple to make it. I show you now.
Sure.
Add gingerly oil. I am adding 1 teaspoon.
And coming to the benefits, fenugreek. Fenugreek, as I've told earlier also, I'm just repeating it again. It will reduce your bad cholesterol. It would very good for your stomach. It would reduce your fat mass, and it's very and it maintains your liver and kidney health. It's very good if you daily take this in any form. It's very good. Yes, next. What are you going to add?
Yeah, first I going to put turmeric root. I'm not adding turmeric powder, the full turmeric, whole turmeric I am adding.
Okay, adding the turmeric. And turmeric, guys, it's very it's anti-inflammatory. It's good for your heart, and it prevents cancer, and it also prevents diabetes. And we are adding it as a whole, not as a powder.
Yes, full whole turmeric root.
Okay, so we have added turmeric. And next one.
Fry nicely.
Next is hing. Huh? So next we are adding hing. Hing is very good for your gas. It will remove gas, bloating in your stomach, and all stomach related like flatulence. All these issues it will remove.
Next
Yes.
I am going to add
Uh,
hing.
hing. So to start again, we have added some gingerly oil, 3 teaspoons. We have added whole turmeric, one number, and some hing. And next,
Dry chilies,
dry chili,
1 5. Whole dry chilies.
Dry chilies, it fights fungal infections. It's good for cold, not too much. Like in 4-5 pieces, it's not so spicy, and it's good for your heart.
I am taking out.
So okay,
It's
it's
roasted
fried.
nicely.
Okay, hing, turmeric,
And dry chili.
dry chili. Okay, we have just fried it up and taken it out. Next.
Next I am adding
Hmm.
coriander seed.
Okay.
Dhania. Whole dhania.
Seeds.
4 spoon. 4 teaspoon. 4 teaspoon. And pepper 3 teaspoon. Whole pepper 3 teaspoon. Now this common jeera 2 teaspoon.
So we added coriander seeds, pepper, jeera,
And this fennel seed, saunf
salt.
1 teaspoon.
And jeera, as you all know, it's very good for digestion. It's a rich source of iron. It reduces your cholesterol. Pepper is very good for your heart. It is excellent source of vitamin A, C. It has potassium, folic acid, and soap also. It's very good for indigestion. It purifies your blood, and it reduces your body pain also.
I am adding half spoon fenugreek
Okay.
and quarter spoon ajwain.
Ajwain. Okay. Ajwain is very good for your stomach. It will relieve your stomach ache, and it cools your body also. So we have fried everything, and we are taking it aside.
Finish removing. Next we are adding bay leaf. The same oil we are adding bay leaf, star anise, 1 star anise, 1 cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon, small piece of javitri, and 1 clove, small piece of kalpasi, stone pool, and this black cardamom we are adding only the seed.
Okay, so black cardamom. Okay.
Yes. We are adding only the seed.
It's roasted now.
I am adding 2 more spoon oil. The same kadai, I am adding oil 10 more spoon, and 4-5 small onion. And 10 parts of
Okay, some garlic. Okay,
and 1 small piece of ginger. And this big lemon size tamarind.
Okay. So no need of soaking. Directly add.
Yes. Try it.
So added some onions, garlic, ginger,
Onion.
and some tamarind. And to tell you about the nutritional benefits, ginger is very commonly used in every household. It's very good. It contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. It can treat nausea, morning sickness, muscle pain, soreness. Tamarind, it has polyphenols, which is antioxidant. It protects against cancer, diabetes, heart disease. Tamarind can reverse fatty liver disease, if consumed on regular basis, it should be taken twice a month. It's very good in form of pepper curry. And now we are going to add some curry leaf, some fresh coriander leaf, and some pudina, mint leaf,
onion, garlic, tamarind, little curry leaf, mint leaf, coriander leaf, all fried well. I am taking out now.
And friends, you can see all the spices. We
All
just
nicely
use
roasted.
just 2-3 tablespoons of oil. We have roasted everything like dry chili, coriander, hing, turmeric, bay leaf, and of course now we have taken the mixture. Explain.
I finished taking out everything. At last, yeah, that is oil seeds, groundnut 1 spoon, 2 number of badam, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, this roasted coconut 1 spoon, sunflower seed 1 spoon,
Seeds.
tin, yes.
Till seeds. Okay.
That's all the things we need.
So we just need to fry it a bit with this oil.
Yeah, all the seeds are roasted well. Switch off the gas. We make cool everything. We fried everything. Now we cool it and we're going to grind it in a fine paste.
And we have ground all the items which we have roasted earlier.
In fine paste.
And it's ground into a fine paste now.
Add some water. We ground it.
Okay.
Now we're going to add little more oil. Total
Ginger
oil
oil.
100 ml.
Okay.
I roasted 50 ml. Now I adding 50 ml. Add all the mixture together inside.
Okay.
Finish adding the mixture.
Balance, we have added
Balance.
some water.
Add some water. Now we are adding salt.
So we have used all the spices, fried it up, ground it, and now we have added oil again, used the paste, and we are adding some
Stone salt.
Okay, rock salt.
Rock salt.
Add salt to your taste.
Yes. And we are adding some
Black salt, okay.
Black
If
salt
possible,
also.
add some black salt.
and piece of jaggery.
Okay. Just a small pinch.
Piece of jaggery, salt, rock salt and black salt. If you add in pink salt, you can add that also.
Just stir it gently. One, two.
Yeah, look at the gravy. That oil separates. It's boiling about 5 minutes. Now the curry is done. But we got 3 more things to add. The dry ginger powder.
Okay.
I didn't add sukku, so I am adding this powder.
Okay, dry ginger powder.
Yes. We added dry ginger powder and teaspoon
Ghee.
Ghee.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of ghee. Okay, and some honey also.
1 spoon honey.
Small teaspoon of honey.
Switch off the gas. Last I am adding lemon juice.
Okay, some lemon
This is
juice.
juice from 1 lemon.
Okay. So the intermixture is ready.
Look at the curry. Full kitchen is spicy smell. It's very tasty also. Yeah, spice box curry is ready. Look at this curry. It's not only looking nice, taste also very good. With a steaming hot rice, you can mix it and eat. Simple papada, any roasted aloo, something. Children, you can mix it like a tamarind rice, fried rice, like you can mix it and go. Taste is very good.
Friends, the spice box curry is ready, and I'll be sharing the ingredients and the methods in the remarks.
The spice box curry ready now. Serve with steaming hot rice and roasted potatoes and poppets. Enjoy yourself. Try at home. Give your comments. Thank you very much.